Friends, patriots, fellow Americans, are you tired of the daily grind? Exhausted from the thrill of unpredictable weather? Well, have I got the worst possible solution for you, a trip to Florida, the Sunshine State? Now, before you pack your bags and book that one-way ticket to paradise, spoiler alert, it's not, let me enlighten you on why Florida should be the last place on your travel bucket list. Trust me, your sanity will thank me later. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel for more sarcastic travel videos. First up, we have Miami, a city so vibrant and energetic, it makes a triple espresso look like a warm glass of milk. This city is a melting pot of cultures, colors, and experiences, offering something for everyone. From the bustling streets of downtown to the serene beaches, Miami is a place where you can find both excitement and relaxation. If you're a fan of blinding white sand, then Miami's beaches are your paradise. The sand here is so fine and white, it almost looks like powdered sugar. Imagine walking barefoot on this soft, warm sand, feeling the grains between your toes as you make your way to the water's edge. Turquoise waters that stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting you to take a dip and cool off from the tropical heat. The water is so clear, you can see the fish swimming around your feet. Whether you're into swimming, snorkeling, or just floating on the surface, these waters are perfect for all kinds of aquatic adventures. And enough Art Deco architecture to make your head spin? Then steer clear. Miami's Art Deco district is a feast for the eyes, with its pastel-colored buildings and intricate designs. Walking through this area feels like stepping back in time to the glamorous 1920s and 30s. Each building has its own unique charm and story to tell. Miami is definitely not the place for you if you prefer solitude. The beaches and streets are always bustling with tourists and locals alike, creating a lively and energetic atmosphere. But if you thrive in the hustle and bustle, you'll feel right at home here. And don't even get me started on the nightlife. Miami comes alive after dark, with its vibrant clubs and bars offering endless entertainment. Whether you're into dancing the night away or enjoying a quiet drink with friends, there's something for everyone. With its pulsating clubs and world-renowned DJs, you'll be begging for a good night's sleep. The music is loud, the lights are bright, and the energy is infectious. It's a place where you can let loose and have the time of your life, but be prepared to pay the price the next morning. Next on our itinerary of places to avoid is Orlando, the theme park capital of the world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Roller coasters, magical creatures, and enough cotton candy to satisfy your sweet tooth for a lifetime. Sounds like a nightmare, right? And let's not forget about the price tag. Between park tickets, overpriced souvenirs, and questionable character dining experiences, your wallet will be emptier than a politician's promises. For those of you who prefer a more laid-back vacation, might I suggest avoiding the Florida Keys? This string of tropical islands is practically synonymous with relaxation. Picture this: crystal clear waters teeming with marine life, breathtaking sunsets that will make you question your own existence, and a distinct lack of anything remotely stressful. Sounds awful, doesn't it? Everglades National Park. It's all fun and games until someone sees an alligator, and then there's Everglades National Park, a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. But be warned, this isn't your grandma's backyard. We're talking about alligators, crocodiles, and enough mosquitoes to carry you away to a swampy demise. So, unless you're particularly fond of creepy crawlies and the constant threat of becoming someone's dinner, I'd suggest giving the Everglades a wide berth. Tampa Bay. Prepare for pirate overdose. Last but not least, we have Tampa Bay, a city so steeped in pirate lore, you'll be saying "R" before you can say, "Where's the nearest Starbucks?" This city is a treasure trove of pirate history and culture, making it a must-visit for anyone who has ever dreamed of sailing the high seas in search of adventure and hidden treasures. From the annual Gasparilla Pirate Festival, where thousands of people dress up like buccaneers and wreak havoc on the city, to the countless pirate-themed events that take place throughout the year, Tampa Bay is a city that truly embraces its pirate past. The Gasparilla Pirate Festival is a spectacle like no other, with elaborate parades, live music, and a whole lot of pirate-themed fun. It's a time when the entire city comes alive with the spirit of adventure, and you can't help but get caught up in the excitement. But the pirate fun doesn't stop there. Tampa Bay is home to a plethora of pirate-themed attractions that will keep you entertained for days. From pirate ship tours that take you out on the water to explore the bay, to interactive pirate museums where you can learn about the history of piracy in the area, there's something for everyone. You can even take part in a pirate-themed escape room where you'll need to use your wits and cunning to solve puzzles and find hidden treasures. And let's not forget about the shopping and dining. Tampa Bay is a pirate lover's paradise, or should I say booty haven. You'll find plenty of shops selling pirate-themed souvenirs, from eye patches and tricorn hats to replica swords and treasure maps. And when it comes to dining, there are plenty of pirate-themed restaurants where you can enjoy a hearty meal fit for a buccaneer. Whether you're in the mood for seafood, burgers, or something a little more exotic, you'll find it all in Tampa Bay. But be warned, if you value your sanity and your ability to go a day without seeing someone dressed like a pirate, then Tampa Bay is definitely not the place for you. The pirate theme is so pervasive that it can be a bit overwhelming for some. Everywhere you look, you'll see people dressed in pirate costumes, talking like pirates, and generally embracing the pirate lifestyle. It's a lot of fun, but it can also be a bit much if you're not prepared for it. So, if you're ready to embrace your inner pirate and dive headfirst into a world of adventure, then Tampa Bay is the place for you. Just be sure to pack your eye patch and your sense of humor because you're in for a wild ride. But if you're looking for a more low-key vacation, you might want to look elsewhere. Tampa Bay is a city that knows how to have fun, and it's not afraid to show it. So, prepare for pirate overdose and get ready to set sail on the adventure of a lifetime. The Sunshine State, more like the Sunburnt State. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the sun in the sky. Florida is known as the Sunshine State for a reason. And by reason, I mean an absurd amount of sunshine. We're talking scorching temperatures, high humidity, and enough UV rays to turn you into a human raisin. So, unless you're a fan of looking like a lobster and sweating through your clothes, I'd suggest investing in a good sunscreen. Beached out sand, sand everywhere. And then there are the beaches. Oh, the beaches. Miles and miles of pristine coastline, soft white sand, and crystal clear waters. It's enough to make you want to scream. Seriously, who needs that much relaxation and natural beauty? And don't even get me started on the water sports. From swimming and sunbathing to snorkeling and paddleboarding, there's an activity for every type of water enthusiast. It's enough to make you want to stay landlocked for the rest of your life. The numbers don't lie, but we do. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into the numbers and see what they reveal about Florida's immense popularity. The numbers speak for themselves. They paint a vivid picture of a state that is a magnet for tourists from all over the world. Every year, millions of tourists flock to Florida, eager to experience all that the Sunshine State has to offer. From the magical realms of Disney World to the sun-kissed shores of Miami Beach, there's something for everyone. In fact, Florida is one of the most visited states in the U.S., with over 131 million visitors in 2023 alone. This staggering number is a testament to the state's allure and the diverse attractions it boasts. That's more people than the entire population of many countries. To put it in perspective, imagine the entire population of a small country descending upon Florida in a single year. It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? So if you're looking for a unique and uncrowded vacation destination, Florida is definitely not the place for you. The beaches are packed, the theme parks have long lines, and the streets are bustling with activity. But for those who thrive in the hustle and bustle, Florida is a paradise. Families can enjoy thrilling rides at theme parks. Foodies can indulge in a variety of cuisines at outdoor cafes. And adventure seekers can explore the state's natural wonders. Beyond the crowded tourist spots, Florida also offers serene escapes. The Everglades National Park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, while the Florida Keys provide a perfect setting for snorkeling and diving. History buffs can wander through the cobblestone streets of St. Augustine, the oldest city in the U.S., and architecture lovers can marvel at the Art Deco buildings in Miami. And when the sun sets, Florida's vibrant nightlife comes alive. From the energetic clubs of Miami to the tranquil sunsets over the Gulf of Mexico, there's no shortage of ways to end your day on a high note. Whether you're into water sports, shopping at luxury boutiques, or simply soaking up the sun, Florida has it all. The numbers may not lie, but they only tell part of the story. The real magic of Florida lies in the experiences and memories you create. So, while the statistics are impressive, it's the smiles on the faces of tourists and the joy in their hearts that truly capture the essence of Florida. The Sunshine State is more than just a destination. It's a place where dreams come true and unforgettable moments are made. As we wrap up this section, remember that the numbers don't lie, but they don't tell the whole story either. Florida is waiting for you to discover its many wonders. So, you still want to visit Florida? There you have it. My completely unbiased and totally serious guide to why you should avoid Florida like the plague. If you're looking for a vacation destination that's crowded, expensive, and hotter than a furnace, then by all means book that trip to Florida. But don't say I didn't warn you. A word of warning. You've been warned. For the rest of you sane individuals, I suggest you stay far, far away from the Sunshine State. Your mind, body, and wallet will thank me later. And remember, there's a whole world out there just waiting to be explored. So go forth and discover it. Just, not Florida. And wait, please don't forget to subscribe.